Assalamu alaikum to all of you. We were reading the poem Prayer for Strangath. Today we have to solve the question number fifth. The question number fifth is why does bend my knees signify? Its answer is bend my knees signifies to give in before somebody and to accept his supremacy. Question number 6 is why does the poet want us to raise his mind high above daily trifles? So it is answer is poet wants us to enable his soul with love, compassion, patience, and obedience. This he needs to strengthen his heart. So poet wants us to raise his mind high above the daily trifles. Question number 7 is why does the poet ask us for strength to surrender his will to the God's will? Its answer is man's desires are very powerful. They make him weak by heart. They don't let him live according to the God's will. That is why the poet asks for strength to surrender his will to God's will.